Nando's Canteen serving surrounding communities in Katuki village, Uganda. A famous restaurant chain known as Nando's wants to promote the brand by opening new franchise in rural areas, also showing concern towards the social responsibilities. The service is about re-establishing local restaurants into Nando's Canteen in collaboration with Nando's to provide access to clean shelter and stable energy for daily eating activities. To overcome the barriers of purchasing, energy services can be rented on monthly payment. In this way, the ownership remains in the hands of the owners. The canteen will use hybrid system as source of energy to reduce its environmental impact. Solar energy is used for the electricity. Improved stove, briquettes and hay baskets are used for cooking and solar thermos for boiling the water. The main actors of the service are Nando's, local restaurants, villagers, Solar Energy for Africa, Uga Stove, and Legacy Foundation. A famous restaurant chain known as Nando's wants to expand its franchise in remote parts of Africa to improve living standards in villages. Local restaurants will receive the brand recognition, improved infrastructure, and fixed daily customers. The service will give eco-friendly cooking environment and financial opportunities to villagers. Solar panels are provided by Solar Energy for Africa, and it can be a great business opportunity to enlarge the market. Uga Stove will provide improved cooking stove and electric appliances in exchange of a monthly fee. Legacy Foundation organizes briquette workshops and waste management for the production of briquettes. As Nando's is a famous restaurant chain, many customers refer to their website to check the menus and food specialities. Nando's Canteen can use this online platform to advertise and create awareness about this service in Africa. System Map. The service starts with the foundation of Nando's Canteen. In partnership with Nando's giving its franchise to local restaurants, Solar Energy for Africa providing solar panels, Uga Stove providing electric appliances, and Legacy Foundation organizing briquette workshops, all this in exchange of a monthly fee. The energy and food service will be provided to the villagers. Villagers can use this service by paying monthly rent. This is a win-win service because it not only provides healthy and cheap food but also a huge economic opportunity to the villagers. Thank you.